Hollywood stars, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing a fall glam look, which is this beautiful look right here. So if you want to know how to achieve this look and what I use today, then just keep watching. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Low Hollywood time. Alright you guys, so today we are going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics palette. So this is what it looks like. I've used this in the past and this is what the inside looks like. I love the colors, it's very fall. Especially for this video, it's perfect fall glam look. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and prime our eyelids. As for my base, I'm gonna be using the P. Louise base in 0.5. I'm gonna be applying this to both eyes, and I'm gonna be applying this more like packing motions around my lid up to my crease. And then once I get to the brow, I kind of want to outline it a little bit. Perfect. So the shade that I got is actually super white compared to my skin tone. I purposely got it like very fair just because I feel like once the base is a little bit lighter, then I feel like the pigments will show up a little bit better. So that's why I got this shade. So now I'm just going to be using this tape right here. I got this at Target. That way we have a nice clean line once we're done with the shadow. So what I like to do is I first like to obviously get a little piece, and then I like to stick it in the back of my hand. That way it takes some of the stickiness away. And then I'll probably do it like one more time, and then I like to apply it to my eye. So I'm first taking my Morphe brush. This is the M412 brush, and I'm gonna be digging into this double shot color right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically place this in the crease. I'm gonna switch brushes now. This is my favorite little crease brush. I mentioned this in my eyeshadow favorites video. This is the Morphe M411 brush. So with this brush, I'm gonna go ahead and go into this hazelnut color right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add this right on top of this purple shade, just so we can start the blending process. Okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this pumpkin spice, which is a little bit of a lighter shade than this one. So I'm taking the same brush. Make sure you kind of clean it. I have a little towel on the side. So I'm gonna take a little bit of pumpkin spice and just sort of dust this on top. So now I'm gonna be taking this small little brush. This is also by Morphe. This is the E35 brush. And I'm going to cut the crease without using concealer. So this is one of my favorite tricks to use. You basically just use the shadow. It only works, however, if the shadow is like super creamy and pigmented and it's not that big of like a color difference, I guess you can say. Like for instance, if the purple was kind of like really dark, like very black, then this technique probably wouldn't work because it would get a little bit muddy. But I know that these shadows are super creamy, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna work. So I'm gonna actually take Espresso, which is this beautiful shade right here at the end. And I'm just gonna basically cut the crease. So I like to start from the inner corner first, and I basically sort of just drag it up. Okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some pumpkin spice once more. So that's this shade right here with my M412 brush. And I'm gonna be adding this right next to this glitter shade, just so that we can start to blend everything together. And then I'm gonna take some of that purple shade, Double Shot, and we're basically applying this to the outer corners. So I'm taking this NYX white eyeliner and I'm basically going to just trace the half cut crease, just because I want to add a little bit more pizzazz to this look. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to remove the tape. Ooh, look at that. So perfect. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, put on some lashes, and I'll be right back to show you the skin. Alright, you guys, so I basically already finished the other eye. There you go. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of mascara to my lashes just before I add the falsies. For primer, we're going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I've really been loving this lately. I feel like I forget I have things and then I like rediscover them and then I fall in love with them all over again. Okay, and for foundation, we are going to be using the Infallible Pro Matte. This is in the shade 104. So this one, I feel like I actually really love this foundation. It just kind of sucks because I feel like it's like slightly pink or something on my skin, but it's like so good that I don't even mind using this, because I have tried the shade like lighter to this and it's too light, and then I tried the shade darker and it's too dark. So I'm just going to be using that today, and to blend it out, I've really been loving this brush right here. This is a Morphe Y7 brush. It just, oh my god, it just blends your foundation so good. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light Sand. So I actually found a really good brush that I love to blend my concealer with now. So let me just show you guys. This is going to be the Real Techniques Targeted Blending Brush. I actually really like this. It does a really good job with blending. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of my Born This Way translucent powder, and I'm only going to apply this under my eyes. And what the heck, whatever's left over, we're just going to apply this wherever we highlighted and sealed. Okay, perfect. So you already know I love my Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Original, so I'm going to be just using this to seal the rest of my face. Okay, I also really love this brush. This is like turning into a what brushes I love, but this is a Morphe Y1 brush. I feel like all the gold, like the gold collection is so good. By the way, I just did my nails yesterday. They're like super cute. It's all nail polish. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this all over the skin. For bronzer, you already know I love the Cheek Parade palette, especially this guy right here, my Hoola bronzer. For blush, I'm going to be using this one by MAC. So this one is called Gleeful, and it's a mineralized blush. Okay, so for highlight, I showed this in my video of the Bare Plus Beauty outlet that I went to. Dude, oh my god, I love this. It's so good. This is the Laura Mercier Devotion highlight or face illuminator or whatever. So I'm gonna dust this all over my cheekbones, not all over the face, but all over the cheekbones. So good. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the brows. So this is what I've been loving to use on my brows lately. So it's just basically the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. And I just use an angled brush and I basically just draw on like little like hair-like strokes, just a few, and then I top it off with some brow gel. Okay, so we're pretty much done. I'm just going to finish the eyes, like the lower lash line and my inner corner. So actually lately I've been doing a lot of black in my waterline, but I think for today I want to do something a little bit different. So I'm probably just gonna use my Marc Jacobs Deja Blue eyeliner, just to kind of give a little bit of light to my eye. I'm gonna take this little brush right here. This is the Morphe M168 brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and go into double shot one more time. And I'm gonna do this right underneath the lash line. Okay, perfect. So it should look something like this. Sorry, I'm never like in the camera when I do it. It's just so hard because my mirror's up here and I'm trying to not poke my eye. But basically, just put this underneath your lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take a fluffier brush. So this one is the Morphe M578 brush. And I'm also gonna drag some color under that purple, and I'm gonna use the pumpkin spice color, which is this beautiful orange shade that we used earlier. So right under the purple. So lately I've been doing this because before I wouldn't really pay much attention to my lower lash line, and now I'm like, oh my god, where was I? Like, why didn't I do this before? I freaking love the way this looks. So I feel like it just kind of elevates your eye look. So if you don't do this, definitely start because it's gonna look so good. Okay, perfect. So this is what it should look like. Hopefully it's not like too bright that you guys can't really see. But yeah. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the eyes by using some roller lash in my lower lash line. And now I'm actually going to do the inner corner because I almost forgot. So I'm gonna take the lightest shade right here of the shimmers. This is called Macchiato. So we're gonna be applying that to the inner corners. Ooh, I feel like it's totally elevated the look. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be using this lipstick right here. It's a liquid lip by Kylie Cosmetics. This is from the Coco collection and it's called Forge. Alright you guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this first fall look that I'll be doing. Obviously by the end of the month, I know I'm a little late, but I'm super excited because I'm off of school and I finally will have more time. And I really love the way this look came out. I think it's like the perfect fall look. Like when you think about fall makeup, this is what I think about. So if you loved this video, don't forget to like, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you can be part of my Hollywood star family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.